I'm Jonathan from Rupert Neve Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use your new 542 500 series tape emulator. All 500 modules require a separate 500 series rack and power supply, and today we're using the Rupert Neve Designs R6. You will need some cables, so depending on the gear you're using and the rack, you will need either DB25s, XLRs, or 1/4-inch TRS cables. For this example, we're going to use XLR cables. So, you want to connect your source to the line input on the back of the 542 rack, and then take another XLR cable and connect that from the output to either your interface, a mixer, or another piece of gear. Remember to make sure you're using the right slot and the right connector on the back of your rack. And now it's time for some sound. Switch in the tape effects to engage the special transformer and the circuitry that emulates the 15 IPS and the 30 IPS equalization and head bumps that makes tape so special. Next, you're going to want to set the input trim control. We're going to start at 0, but as you increase it and drive it harder, you're going to get more saturation effects. Now, if you want something a little bit more on the subtle side, back it off a little bit and drive it a little less hard. Next, let's adjust the blue saturation knob. As you sweep it from minimum to maximum, select between 15 and 30 IPS. 15 IPS will give you more pronounced low frequency saturation and head bumps. 30 IPS, on the other hand, will give you more mid-range saturation. After you do that, use the blue blend knob to pick between a pleasing balance of very saturated or maybe just a touch to add that vintage vibe and character to your recording. Finally, silk and texture are two very unique features of Rupert Neve Designs gear. First off, when you engage silk, we'll engage silk red, and as you bring it up, you will notice more mid-range harmonics. If you switch it over to silk blue, you'll notice more pronounced low-frequency harmonics. Please remember that the harder you hit the output of the 542, the more pronounced the silk effects will be. Now it's time to record with your new 542 tape emulator. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about our gear, please go to rupertneve.com for more information today.